Now we're going to look at graphing special cases, so vertical and horizontal lines. So we said a horizontal line which goes in this direction is horizontal. This would be a zero slope, it doesn't change at all. And if you have a line that goes this way direction, horizontal, it is only going to go through the y-axis. So anywhere I would draw a horizontal line is going to go through the y-axis. So this one we have a y equals some number. And then on the other hand, when we have a vertical line, this would be that undefined slope. Anytime I draw a vertical line, it's only going to go through the x-axis, or that would look like x equals and then just some number. And then this number is always going to tell us where it goes through the y-axis or where it goes through the x-axis. So in our problem that we have here, we are looking at where y equals, so because it's a y, that's going to tell us that it's this horizontal line. And because it says it goes through -4, that's where I'm going to draw my line. So on the y-axis at -4, I know it's got to go through right here. Because it says it's a y only, I know it's going to be a horizontal line. So then I just have to draw a horizontal line through that y is -4. If we had, for example, x equals, let's go with 2. When I see that x equals, that tells me that there's only an x, no y. That means it's going to be that vertical line, and that number tells me where. So it would go through the x-axis only at 2. So then in that case, that one, here's the x-axis at 2, and it would be a vertical line through that point. So there's an example of how I would draw a vertical and horizontal line based on those equations.